You reach for a candy bar without thinking. Your hand knows the wrapper before your brain finishes the thought. That craving feels modern, manufactured even. But the real answer is far stranger. Your desire for sugar is older than agriculture. Older than fire, some scientists argue. It may be older than your species itself. Picture a small group of early hominins moving through a forest 3 million years ago. They are not hunting, they are searching. Their eyes scan the canopy for one color, a dull orange-red hiding among green leaves, ripe fruit. Finding it was not a luxury. It was survival. No refrigerators, no stockpiles, no tomorrow's meal waiting in a cupboard. Your ancestors' brains rewarded that discovery instantly. A jolt of dopamine. Sweetness meant energy. It meant survival, encoded directly into taste. Anthropologist Richard Wrangham has argued that this fruit-driven foraging shaped primate cognition itself. Finding scattered seasonal fruit required memory. It required planning ahead. Some researchers believe the hunt for sugar helped build the very intelligence that later let humans dominate the planet. Isn't that strange? The instinct steering your hand toward chocolate might be the same engine that helped build your mind, but fruit was not always available. Around 2 million years ago, grasslands spread. Fruit grew scarce, so evolution broadened where that craving could be satisfied. Honey entered the picture. Wild honey delivers more concentrated energy than hours of foraging elsewhere. And in parts of Africa today, a small bird called the honeyguide leads humans straight to wild beehives. The bird cannot break one open. Humans can. So the bird calls, humans follow, and both species share the reward. Researcher Claire Spottiswoode has documented this partnership extensively, showing honeyguides respond to specific calls passed down for generations. An entire interspecies relationship built around your ancestors' hunger for something sweet. Rock art in South Africa's Cederberg region shows figures raiding hives. Wax residues on ancient pottery suggest humans processed honey long before written history began. By the time humans became fully modern, sweetness was already sacred. Then agriculture arrived. Roughly 10,000 years ago, farmers in Southeast Asia and New Guinea began cultivating sugarcane. From there, it traveled through trade routes and empires, eventually becoming a global industry, one that tragically fueled forced labor on colonial plantations. But here is the twist your brain never adjusted to. For nearly all of human history, sweetness was rare, seasonal. It required real effort, sometimes real risk. Your brain's reward system evolved under those conditions, assuming sugar would always be scarce and always worth chasing hard. Your modern world broke that assumption completely. Researcher Nicole Avena, who studies sugar and the brain, has shown that sugar activates reward pathways strikingly similar to those linked with addictive substances. Your ancient alarm system, built for scarcity, now lives inside a world of endless abundance. A single convenience store aisle holds more sugar than your ancestors might have found across an entire lifetime. Your brain has no built-in mechanism to say enough. Why would it? Scarcity did that job automatically for millions of years. Now scarcity is gone, and the instinct remains. Unaware the rules have changed. Consider your ancestors again, high in a tree, heart-pounding, reaching past angry bees for a dripping honeycomb. That moment of triumph echoes forward through millions of years, directly into your hand right now. Every time you taste something sweet, you're experiencing one of the oldest rewards your biology has to offer. Once tied to trees and risk, now tied to a wrapper you can tear open in seconds. So the next time your hand reaches for something sweet before your brain decides to, pause. That urge isn't weakness. It's a signal passed down from ancestors who climbed toward danger for a taste of energy they couldn't find anywhere else. You reach for a candy bar without thinking. Your hand knows the wrapper before your brain finishes the thought. It isn't modern at all. It's the oldest craving you have,